Placid Goat Fun Class. Animals and Plants. The Kind Dolphins.
Wow, look over there!
Oh, that's such a cute dolphin! How about if we learn about dolphins today? Let's go to the ocean and take pictures of real dolphins.
Okay! Take pictures of dolphins? I have a good idea.
That's the sound of a dolphin. Over there. Huh? Wolfie, stop! You're way too loud!
Oh, Wesley! I was calling for the dolphins! Why'd you stop me?
Listen, Wolfie. Noises like that are too loud and can harm dolphins. A dolphin's hearing is very sensitive. It can hear even the faintest sounds. However, sounds that are too loud can cause dolphins serious injury.
I didn't know that about them.
It's a dolphin! Huh? Why did so many appear all at once? That's because dolphins love being in groups. Dolphins live together and play together. As soon as you see one dolphin, you'll often encounter the rest of the pod as well. I'll take a picture of him. What? Hey, Wolfie, give me back my camera!
Come and get it if you can!
My camera!
Sparky!
It's so dark down there. Is Sparky going to be okay?
Wolfie! I didn't mean for that to happen. I'll go down and look for him.
Why don't we ask the dolphins to help us out? Dolphins, will you please help us? Oh, they didn't even bring a flashlight with them. How are they going to find Sparky? Don't worry. Dolphins don't have to use their eyes in the ocean. They have strong echolocation skills.
Echolocation? What is that?
Dolphins can emit a special kind of sound. When the sound hits things underwater, it bounces right back. The dolphins use their sensitive hearing to gather all the sounds that bounce back, which then tells them what objects are in front of them. Hey, I'm back! These kind dolphins saved me!
Wow.
Thank you, dolphins!
Goodbye! Goodbye! Oh, hold on! I haven't taken a picture yet!
Don't worry. Here, look.
Huh?
The dolphins already took pictures for us. Whoa! Dolphins really are one of the smartest, friendliest, and kindest animals.
It's a draw this time. But next time I'll beat all of you!
Does anyone here know how a dolphin sleeps?
Does it sleep in a hammock? No. It sleeps in a pile of sand.
That's wrong. Actually, dolphins can sleep while they're swimming. Look, just like that.
But look, his eyes are still open.
That's because when dolphins sleep, they keep functioning by resting half their brains, while also keeping the other half alert.
Let's see about that. Wasn't the dolphin supposed to be sleeping? How did it know I was there?
Half of the dolphin's brain is still alert, remember? When it encounters danger, it can react instantly. So, kids, did you get all of that? We'll see you all again